Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, your ultimate guide to e-commerce success. We're all about empowering you with knowledge and insights to take your e-commerce venture to new heights. Here at HouseLuxe Estate, we explore the intersection of technology and business, focusing on how cutting-edge advancements can be leveraged for success in the digital marketplace. We strive to provide you with engaging content that demystifies complex concepts, offering practical solutions to your e-commerce challenges. From startups to established businesses, we're here to guide you through the dynamic landscape of e-commerce. Our journey together will cover an array of topics, from the basics of digital marketing to the intricacies of data analytics. And today, we're taking a deep dive into a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing e-commerce, artificial intelligence. So buckle up and get ready to explore the transformative power of AI in e-commerce. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of e-commerce enhanced by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. At its heart, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. It's all about the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from data, enabling them to make predictions, decisions, and perform tasks that we would normally require human intelligence to accomplish. In the realm of e-commerce, artificial intelligence is like a superpowered assistant tirelessly working behind the scenes to optimize every aspect of your online business. It sifts through massive amounts of data, identifying patterns, trends, and insights that would be impossible for a human to process. One of the most visible applications of AI in e-commerce is in personalized recommendations. You know, when you're browsing an online store and you see a section that says, "You might also like," that's AI at work. It analyzes your browsing history, past purchases, and even items you've lingered on but didn't purchase, to suggest products that you're likely to be interested in. But that's just scratching the surface. Artificial intelligence also plays a crucial role in inventory management, predicting which items will be in demand and ensuring they're in stock. It streamlines the supply chain, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. It even has a hand in customer service, with chatbots handling basic queries and freeing up human staff for more complex issues. The benefits of using AI in e-commerce are vast. It can lead to increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and significant cost savings. It enables businesses to operate on a scale and at a level of sophistication that would be unimaginable without it. But perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of artificial intelligence in e-commerce is its potential for future growth. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will its applications in e-commerce, opening up new possibilities for efficiency, personalization, and profitability. Now that we understand the basics, let's see how to implement AI in your e-commerce business. The first step in using AI in your e-commerce business is identifying the need. Now, let's delve into how you can spot these areas in your business that could benefit from a dash of artificial intelligence. Consider your customer service. Are your customers waiting too long for responses? Are their queries not addressed satisfactorily? AI can streamline this process, offering immediate, accurate responses and freeing up your team to handle more complex issues. Next, look at your inventory management. Are you frequently over or understocked? AI can predict demand trends, helping you maintain the perfect balance in your inventory. Lastly, think about sales forecasting. Are your predictions often off the mark? AI uses data-driven insights to provide accurate sales forecasts, allowing you to plan effectively for the future. So take a step back, evaluate these areas, and recognize where AI could lend a hand. Identifying the need is the first step towards a more efficient and profitable e-commerce business. Implementing AI in your e-commerce business is not as complex as it might seem. Yes, you heard it right. It's not rocket science, but it does require a strategic approach. The first step in implementing AI into your e-commerce business is to understand what you're trying to achieve. Are you looking to improve customer service, enhance the shopping experience, or perhaps increase operational efficiency? Once you've identified your goals, you can then start to explore the best ways to achieve them using AI. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually get AI into my business? Well, there are 3 primary routes you can take. First, you could hire a developer or a team of developers with expertise in AI. They could build a bespoke system tailored to your specific needs. This option can be more expensive and time-consuming, but it does allow for maximum customization. Second, you could opt for pre-existing AI software. There are plenty of off-the-shelf solutions available that can be integrated into your business with minimal fuss. These can be more cost-effective and quicker to implement, but they may not offer the same level of customization as a bespoke system. And third, you could build a custom solution using open-source AI tools. This approach requires a certain level of technical knowledge, but it can provide a good balance between cost, speed, and customization. Regardless of the approach you choose, it's crucial to have a clear plan in place. This plan should outline how the AI will be integrated into your existing systems, how it will be tested, and how it will be maintained and updated over time. It's also important to consider any potential risks and how they can be mitigated. Remember, implementing AI is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing process that needs to be managed and monitored to ensure it continues to deliver value to your business. So, don't be intimidated by the prospect of implementing AI. It's not an insurmountable challenge. With the right tools and team, implementing AI can be a smooth process, and the benefits it can bring to your e-commerce business are well worth the effort. Once AI is implemented, it's important to monitor and adjust as necessary. You see, artificial intelligence isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of tool. It's more like a garden that needs tending to flourish. To monitor the effectiveness of your AI systems, you need to track specific metrics that align with your business goals. For an e-commerce business, this could be anything from customer engagement, customer retention, to the speed of customer service responses. But remember, it's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding the story the data tells. Performance can be influenced by a myriad of factors, so it's essential to dig deeper into the data. Are customers abandoning their carts more frequently? It might be a sign that your AI recommendation system needs tweaking. Adjustments are part and parcel of the process. It's the intelligence in artificial intelligence, the ability to learn and adapt. If the AI system isn't performing as expected, don't be afraid to make changes. Test different algorithms, adjust parameters, or even retrain your AI with new data. Remember, there is no universal best AI system. The best AI is the one that works best for your specific needs. So, be patient, be persistent. It's a process of continuous learning and fine-tuning. And on that note, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in AI systems. AI systems aren't static. They need to evolve as your business grows and changes. This means regularly updating your AI with fresh data so it can learn new patterns and trends. An AI system that can adapt to changes will be more resilient and effective in the long run. It's like having a team member who's always learning and improving, ready to tackle whatever challenges come their way. In conclusion, monitoring and adjusting your AI systems isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's what keeps your AI garden thriving, ensuring it continues to deliver the best results for your business. So don't just implement AI, nurture it, adjust it, and watch it grow. Monitoring and adjusting your AI systems ensures they continue to deliver the best results for your business. Let's recap what we've learned about using AI in your e-commerce business. We started with the basics of artificial intelligence, peeling back the layers to understand how it's not just about robots and science fiction. Instead, it's about harnessing the power of machine learning and predictive analytics to make smarter decisions and automate processes, ultimately leading to increased efficiency and profitability. We then dove into the first step, identifying the need for AI in your business. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a tool that can be customized to meet your unique needs. Whether it's streamlining inventory management, personalizing customer experiences, or optimizing pricing strategies, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way you do business. From there, we ventured into the second step, implementing AI. We discussed how it's not just about buying a software package and plugging it in. It's about careful planning, choosing the right solutions, and integrating them into your existing systems. It's about training your team so they understand how to use these tools effectively. And it's about setting clear goals and benchmarks so you can measure your progress and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, we explored the third step, monitoring and adjusting AI systems. AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires ongoing attention and fine-tuning to ensure it's delivering the desired results. By regularly reviewing your data and adjusting your algorithms, you can ensure your AI systems continue to drive value for your business. In essence, using AI in your e-commerce business is about much more than just technology. It's about strategy, planning, and continuous improvement. It's about leveraging the power of data to make smarter decisions and deliver better results. And most importantly, it's about setting your business up for long-term success in an increasingly competitive marketplace. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful content on e-commerce success.